Hello, this video is about helping you to find the equation of a line when you're given a certain amount of information. In this case, we're told that this line passes through the point 50 and it has a gradient of 1/2. So let's see if we can work out the equation of that line in a few simple steps. First of all, we know the general equation y equals mx plus c. So step one is to use that information we had about the gradient. The gradient is 1/2 and substitute that for m. So we get y equals 1/2 of x plus c. Next, because we have a point, we can put in a value of x and y. Now this one, the x value is obviously 5. The y value, less obviously, is 0. It's on the x-axis, it's got no height. So we can now say 0, that's the y value, is 1/2 times 5 plus c. Okay, so that means if you rearrange that, 1/2 of 5 is 2.5, 2.5 plus c is 0, so c becomes minus 2.5. Okay, so that's the third step, find c. So we've put in the value of the gradient, step 1, we've put in the value of x and y, step 2, we've solved that to find c, that's step 3, and then the last step is to put all that information back into your general equation for all points on the line now. So we want the x and the y back in. Y equals 1/2 of x minus 2.5. And you can see, in fact, that's the point minus 2.5. Hope that makes sense. Hope that was helpful. Thanks very much for watching.